Questions using simple past. Hello and welcome to our video on English grammar. In this video, we will be focusing on how to form questions in the simple past tense. In English, there are two main ways to form questions in the simple past tense, using the auxiliary verb, did, and inverting the subject and verb. Examples of questions formed using the auxiliary verb, did. 1. Did you speak English? 2. Did she play the piano? 3. Did they walk to school yesterday? Examples of questions formed by inverting the subject and verb. 1. Were you feeling well yesterday? 2. Was he working late last night? 3. Were they going to the party yesterday? You can also use question words to ask for specific information. For example, 1. What did you do yesterday? 2. Where did he work last week? 3. Why did she like that song? It's important to note that in the past tense, we use did instead of do to form questions with all subjects. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are two main ways to form questions in the simple past tense, using the auxiliary verb, did, and inverting the subject and verb. Remember to use did instead of do with all subjects, and use question words to ask for specific information. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.